Hello student, I hope you all are happy and enjoying. Today I will tell you the exercise 1.1. So let us start from the first question. The first question is let U as a universal set having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set A having element 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B having element 2, 4, 6, 8 and set C having the element 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A dash, B dash, A union C dash, A union B dash and A dash over dash means A complement over complement. We have to find out this. Okay. And B minus C whole complement. Let us start the first one, A complement. My dear student, we have given universal set U equal to the set of first 9 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? And set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to find out in the first step, in the first A complement. A dash equal to universal set minus A means you will ignore the element of A which are in universal set. Means 1, you will cut 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest of element you will write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called A complement. Now you have to find out B complement. B complement. So my dear student, we have given B, set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so therefore B complement equal to universal set minus B. Means you will ignore the element of B which are in universal set U. Means 2, 4, 6, 8. You will ignore 2, 4, 6, 8. You write the rest of element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is called B complement. Right? Now the next one, A union C whole complement. For the third one, A union C whole complement. Okay. What is C? Set C is given you. Set C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Now A union C equal to A is this union C. Means you will collect all element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called A union C. Now you have to find out A union C complement. Complement of A union C. So my dear student, how you will find out? You can find out universal set by subtracting A union C from universal set. So universal set minus A union C equal to, you will ignore A union C from the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 element will cancel. The rest of the element 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. This is called A union C complement. Now next, Next is A union B complement. So my dear student, A union B complement you have to find out. Okay. As we know that what is A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is fourth point. Fourth one, A is given you A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now A union B means collect all element of A and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. A union B complement equal to universal set minus A union B. Okay, universal set is the set of the element of first 9 natural number. From the set of element of the first 9 natural number, you will subtract, means you will ignore the element of 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So the rest of element will be 5. It will be 5, 7, 8, 9. I think A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and universal set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means you ignore 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 5, 7, only 9, 5, 7, 9 are the element of A union B whole complement. Now the next fifth part. The fifth part is complement over complement. Means A complement over complement means at first you need to find out for this A complement. What is A complement? Means union minus A. Means union is 1 to 9 natural number minus 1, 2, 3, 4 first 4 natural number means 5, 6, 7, 8. Now complement over complement. A complement over complement means universal set minus A complement. Equal to, you will ignore 5, 6, 7, 8. What you will get? You will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Means you will get same set A. Right? Now the next part, B minus C. B minus C. My dear student, B minus C complement you have to find out. So for this, at first you will find out B minus C. B minus C equal to B minus C equal to, you will ignore the element of B which are also in C. Means only the element of B you have to write. Okay. Set B is 2, 4, 6, 8 minus set C is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore B minus C equal to, and 3 is not here, 4 will be cancelled, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. 2, comma 8 is B minus C. Now the complement of the B minus C complement equal to universal set minus B minus C. You will subtract B minus C from the universal set U. Okay. Means B minus C 2, comma 8 will ignore. You will ignore 2, comma 8. What will be? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is your required B minus C. I hope you understand this. My dear student, now come to the exercise 1.5, question number second. You have given a universal set U, question number second, universal set U of the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Find the complement of the following. Means you have to find out the complement of the following. Let us say I am telling you question number second, third part. The complement of third, C dash equal to U minus C. Means universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus C. C is A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. You can find out equal to, you will ignore A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. The rest of element B, D, F, H. This is called A complement. Now come to the question number third. In question number third, taking the set of natural number as universal set, write the complement of the following. We have given a universal set is a set of natural number. Means in question number third, U equal to X such that X belong to natural number in builder form like that. So you have to write the complement of the following. Let us suppose I want to solve its sixth part. The sixth part is this: X such that set A equal to X such that X is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Right? Means perfect square number like as 4, the perfect square of 2, and 9 is a perfect square of 3. So complement of A dash, complement of A, that is A dash equal to universal set minus A equal to X such that X belong to natural number, set of all natural number excluding perfect square. EX CLU D excluding perfect square. Perfect square. Right? You will exclude the perfect square. The A dash will be a set of all natural number excluding perfect square. Okay. One more question. It's 10th part. Let us suppose this is set B. Set B equal to X such that X greater than equal to 7. Means U equal to a set of natural number. Therefore, B dash equal to U minus A. Means if I will expand this B into a builder form, the element of B will be greater than equal to 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. If you will subtract all these natural number which are greater than 7 from a set of the natural number, you will find that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set of first 6 natural number. You can write the answer in set builder form like that. X such that X belong to natural number and property that X is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 6. This is your answer. Now come to the question number Question number 5. Question number 4. If universal set is given you and any set A and B, verify that A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is De Morgan's law. You have to verify by help of this given set. Question number 4. Universal set U equal to a set of first 9 natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Any set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Set B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. To verify that, you have to verify in the first part A union B whole dash, the first one. A union B whole dash. For this, at first you need to find out A union B. A union B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the complement of A union B. Complement A union B whole dash equal to universal set minus A union B. You will ignore the union B from the universal set, means you will ignore 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 1 and 9 will left. Same way in the right hand side. At first you can find out A dash means universal set minus A, means you will ignore 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now B dash means universal set minus B. Universal set minus B equal to set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. You will ignore 2, 3, 5, 7. What will be 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now A dash intersection B dash means A dash is this or B dash is this. What is the common element? 1, 1. Here 1. Okay. And second is 9. Only 1 and 9 are common. So 1, 9. Hence you can write, hence A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash, which is required solution. Right? Okay. Now come to the question number 5. Draw the appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. You have given, you have to draw the Venn diagram of fifth one. First part. A union B whole dash. Right? Means A union B whole complement. My dear student, a rectangle represent to the universal set, as you know very well. This is set A, this is set B. Right? This whole area including A and B represent the A union B. The complement of A union B is the region except A union B. This one. The region except A union B is called complement of this. This is called A union B whole dash. Right? The second one, A dash intersection B dash. Because since by the De Morgan's law, A dash intersection B dash equal to A union B whole dash. This is therefore both having same Venn diagram. Now its third part, and third part is A intersection B whole dash. My dear student, rectangle represent a universal set. This is A, this circle represent A, this circle represent B, A, B. And A intersection B is the common area is called A intersection B. This is A intersection B. This is called A intersection B. If I will subtract this A intersection B from a universal set U, the rest of the region is called A intersection B, A intersection B whole dash. This represents A intersection B whole dash. Same way the fourth part. Hence, by the De Morgan's law, A dash intersection B dash equal A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash equal to A intersection B whole dash. So both having same Venn diagram. Right? Now come to the question number 6. In question number 6, let U be the set of all triangle in a plane. If A is the set of all rectangle with at least one angle different from 60 degree, what is A dash? Right? I am repeating again the question. Let U be a set of all triangle in a plane. In a plane, set of all triangle means set of all triangle included that scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, all triangle. If A is the set of all triangle with at least one angle differ from 60 means such triangle whose edge at least one angle differ from 60 degree, at least one angle. Minimum one angle may be differ from 60 degree, two angle may be differ from 60 degree, and 3 to 3 angle may be differ from 60 degree. So the complement of this in question number 6, complement of this will be U minus A dash equal to U minus A, right? U the set of all triangle. A is the set of triangle whose edge angle differ, whose at least one angle differ from 60 degree means set of the triangle whose all angle are of 60 degree means set of equilateral triangle. X such that X is a set of lateral triangle, right? So thank you very much, my dear student. I hope you understand all question and have a nice day ahead.